Hi guys, Tina here. So I'm meal prepping and this is about as elaborate as it gets for me. But anyways, I decided I'm going to make chicken muffins. And so I use some extra lean ground chicken and I added, and this is the first time I've done this, I bought this, it says poultry herb blend. And it had parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. Okay, this is what I can tell you. I don't really know how to use any of these herbs because you know me. I will admit that I'm not a good cook. I only know these words from the that song. What's the song? Oh my God. Garfunkel. Simon and Garfunkel song. That's parsley, sage, or you know that one. That's the only reason I know. But I did venture out. I chopped up the Italian parsley and put it in with the ground chicken, as well as a little bit of feta. I just used some regular feta that I chunked off and put it in. And also, I actually took the rosemary and put a sprig of rosemary on the top of each one to try to make it look fancy. Now, the key to not having the chicken stick is I use these awesome little silicone muffin holders. I use it for everything, especially when I'm working with eggs, but everything slides right out of it. So I bought these at the grocery store. I have 2 full sets, so I always have 24 on me. And you can see I didn't use a muffin tin. I could easily make, because then I could make more than 12. And I still did spray with a little bit of olive oil. Tiny bit. I just spray a tiny bit and then rub it around in each side. So I'm going to bake these on 400 because that's the only temperature I know when I put stuff in the oven. I'm going to bake these at 400 for 30 minutes. And you guys will get to see the finished outcome because right now it looks like raw meat, which looks ugly. But I have a feeling that it's going to taste awesome, and I used a herb for the first time. So have a great day, and yeah, it's going to be a few lunches for all of us here in lockdown of chicken muffins. And then I just have a salad with them. It's perfect. Okay, bye.